grouping, it is an interesting one because it's a good use for brain. Motari is plural of cars, so that will not group with chimney. Kholi will also not, Kholi can, because Kholi is feminine, singular, and ending with E. So Kholi is okay. Batli is also okay because Batli is feminine, singular, and ending with E. So that goes in that group, Batli. Kodi will not because Kodi is a male actually. Then Rumal file, they are not. So first group is basically chimney, khurchi, kholi, batli. Chimney, khurchi, kholi, batli. They become one group. Second one,
Oh,
photo. So ending with
photo.
O, and photo is a
And singular.
masculine, singular, or even photo should can be plural also, really speaking. So we can take
Hmm.
plural also if anything comes. So photo ending with O, the next word we have is
Oh,
sto. So sto will go with photo. Sto is okay with
stop.
photo. And there is no other ending with O. So that's
Oh,
the group is only of two, photo and sto. The
okay.
third group is kilya. So ending with
Kilya.
ya. The first one is kilya. The second one that you have is khidkya. Both are okay because killi is feminine, kilya are feminine, khidki is feminine, khidkya are feminine.
Oh.
So that is a group. Then next one we can say note. T note. T note.
There's one. In Kilya, so Ghanta will not be there because
Because it is actually ending with, not ending with a, ya, it is ending with a.
ah.
Ah.
Okay.
It is akaranta.
Okay. Okay.
And this is
Akara.
kilya is yakaranta. You can say ya.
Yeah. Okay.
Khidkya, kilya.
Got it.
So we will not put them in that group. Then
Okay.
note is a singular akaranta. It is called akaranta.
Hmm.
Note. So note hath.
At
So hath. T note. That's it's not matching with the gender. Hath is
gender.
masculine.
Yes.
It will not belong to this
Yes.
group. Note is T note, so it is feminine. And so
Yes.
like that, akaranta kagad. Kagad is the
Masculine.
it is masculine. Kats will be okay.
Kats.
Kats is feminine. So note and
Yes.
kats will belong to one group. Varga, no. Varga is a masculine group.
Masculine.
Then bag. Bag is a feminine. So it will go in note and kats and bag.
Kats.
Bag is of the same group. And Rumal will not be in that
Rumal.
because Rumal is masculine, but file will be in
Masculine.
that group. File is
Oh,
feminine singular,
feminine.
ending in Akaranta. So that becomes
Oh,
one group. Then coming to Chendu. Chendu is
Chendu.
Ukaranta. Ukaranta. So Ukaranta.
चेंडू म्हणजे
Sorry.
चेंडू म्हणजे
Chendu is ball. Chendu is
बॉल.
ball. And it is called Ukaranta because you have what is made from U. Chendu is D
Oh,
plus U becomes do. So Chendu.
oh.
And Chendu and Khadu, To Chendu, To Khadu. So they belong to the same group. That's good. And that's all. Only two Ukaranta words are there. No, Vastu is another one, third. But
वस्तु is
is a feminine. So it will not
feminine.
be
Yeah.
not in this group. Ti Vastu. So Vastu is
Yes.
separately a separate group.
Oh,
Then Hath. Hath belongs to the
ah,
masculine group. So we had seen which are
masculine.
the ones of masculine group. Hath is one, Kagad is another one, Varga is the third one, and that's all. Rumal is the fourth one.
रुमाल also.
Oh, Rumal. Fourth one is Rumal. So they belong to one group. Chashme. Chashme is Ekaranta and plural, but there is nobody else in Ekaranta, so that doesn't have any
Vikaranta.
group really. So we have covered
Oh,
all, I think.
yes.
Now coming to vocabulary building, just read them to register in the mind. Just read them one by one.
काच, त्या,
No,
Note.
just read to know the vocabulary, to
Yep.
brush your vocabulary. Kach.
Hmm.
Kach is glass.
Glass.
Kya?
Yeah.
Kya means those.
Those. Those.
Note. Note is currency note.
Currency
Palm,
note.
lizard.
Lizard.
Pin, pin, file, file.
Pin. File. Murti.
Idol.
Idol.
Yeah, is these.
These.
Ending with
These.
ball. Then
Oh,
grammatical notes, unit 1, lessons 3 and 4 introduce the feminine nouns, singular and plural. Okay. So let us turn over the page and see. The feminine nouns may end in a consonant like
Mar.
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 Feminine nouns, typical characteristics of feminine nouns they are teaching us.
Hmm. Hmm.
Generally, either they may end in a consonant like mar. So it is ending with l. So that is a consonant.
Hmm.
Then
Hmm.
they may end in a. A means akarant, like shala. So there are many names which are
Hmm.
feminine ending with a. There can be feminine names ending with e, like wahi, notebook.
Wahi.
There can be feminine nouns ending with u, like vastu. Feminine nouns ending with o, like baiko.
Baiko.
Baiko is wife. The
Wife.
plural formation of the feminine nouns is more complicated than of the masculine nouns. Each of the
Hmm.
above groups may be divided into two or three subgroups according to their plural forms. So, how to form the plurals? That we are trying to understand. So, the consonant ending feminine nouns have two ways of plural formation. Some nouns take the suffix a and some nouns take the suffix e. So mar is
Hmm.
becoming mara, but pal is becoming pali.
Pali.
So there is no grammatical rule by which a letter
Hmm.
can distinguish between the two groups. These
Hmm.
forms can be mastered by practice only. Okay. Now, the plural of the a ending feminine nouns is obtained by the addition of the suffix o, shara plus zero. Oh, what is this? Oh, zero. That is what they are saying is zero.
Zero.
Shara is shara. There is no nothing to
Shada.
tell.
Shada.
Shara is shara. Thus, the
Oh.
singular form is identical with the plural form when that is ending with a. Shara, ma,
Ah.
like that.
Hmm.
Mara. Then the plural of the e ending nouns is also obtained in two ways. One is by addition of the suffix e plus,
Ah.
actually it is not a, it is ya. It will become ya. So
Vaya.
wahi will
Hmm.
become vaya, khidki
Vaya.
will become khidkya, nadi will
Hmm.
become nadya.
Nadia.
So it is yeah, not yeah. And second method is by addition of the suffix nothing, that is zero, making the singular form identical with the plural form.
Hmm.
So that happens in case of murti, murti, kumari,
Hmm.
kumari, tithi, tithi. Tithi is a lunar day,
Hmm.
na? Or a Hindu
Hmm.
Panchang day, that is called tithi. So
Hmm.
Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, all these are tithis. Then Dasi. So Dasi will remain Dasi only, not Dasya.
Hmm.
Gopi will remain
Hmm.
Gopi only, not Gopya. Taruni will
Yeah.
remain Taruni only. The Gati remains Gati only. So there are two
Hmm.
ways of making plural from anything which is ending with a, feminine with ending with a. Then the next rule that they are saying is there are two ways of obtaining plural forms of the u ending feminine nouns. Which are the u
Hmm.
ending feminine nouns? Sasu. So
Hmm.
sasu, the changes to a, but not really a. It is plus wa. It becomes wa
Wow.
a wa. So Sasu becomes
Hmm.
Saswa. The
Sas.
monosyllabic noun u.
Ooh.
However, take the suffix wa. Thus we have u plus wa,
Uva.
lies.
Uva.
Yeah,
Uva. Hmm.
plus wa. So in if it is swasu, it becomes saswa, but
Saswa.
u is a singular for a lice. So the
Hmm. Hmm.
plural for that
Uva.
becomes ua.
Uva.
Now, or by not adding no suffix, that becomes vastu. Sometimes
Hmm.
vastu,
Hmm.
that plural will remain the same, vastu. So there
Oh.
is only one traditional O ending feminine noun, that is Baiko. There is only
Hmm.
one. There are not many such
Oh.
feminine ending nouns with ending with O. And plural
Hmm.
of Baiko is Baika. And plural of Baiko is Baika, but it has two meanings. One
Hmm.
meaning is many wives. ह्या राजाला
Hmm.
ह्या राजाला चार बायका आहेत. That is, he has
Oh.
four wives. But
Alright.
Vaika is also means women. So you see,
Okay.
sometimes it can be confusing. So you can say तिथे रस्त्यावर चार बायका आहेत.
Alright.
So रस्त्यावर चार बायका आहेत is not रस्त्यावर there are four wives on the road.
Voice.
There are four women on the road. So
Women.
baika has two meanings. Baika has one meaning is wives, second meaning is women. So
Women.
the singular for women is bai. Bai
Hmm.
and the plural is baya or
Baika.
baika. Baika and baya is interchangeable. You can even say रस्त्यावर चार बाया आहेत or you can say
Hmm.
रस्त्यावर चार बायका आहेत. किंवा आमच्या ऑफिसमध्ये पाच पुरुष आणि सात बायका आहेत. दॅट यू कॅन से. बट इफ यू
Oh.
से मला, इफ यू से मला चार बायका
Hmm.
आहेत, देन इट इज क्लिअरली सेइंग दॅट आय हॅव फोर वाईफ्स.
I have four wives. Hmm.
इफ यू से मला, इफ यू से मला किंवा
Hmm.
माझी
Hmm.
किंवा त्याची, देन इफ यू से
Hmm.
possessive, then it is his wife only. When you use the possessive
Wives.
word, then it is referring to wife. त्याला चार बायका
Hmm.
आहेत. So that is बायका आहेत.
Hmm.
When you say त्याला, that means he has wives.
Hmm. Yes.
किंवा बट त्याच्या घरी चार बायका बसल्या आहेत, दॅट इज ओके. इट डझंट मीन दोज आर हिज
Hmm.
वाईफ्स. त्याच्या घरी
Hmm.
चार बायका बसल्या आहेत इज अ परफेक्ट
For
सेंटेन्स.
women.
Four women are sitting in his house. So this
Hmm.
becomes a little bit of confusion.
Yeah.
Then the plural of the word steno is a stenographer. The plural of the
Next.
word steno borrowed from English is obtained by adding nothing. So steno will remain as steno. Okay. So
Oh.
basically the
Oh.
feminine demonstrative objectives are he for singular and ya for plural, ti for singular, tya for plural.
Yeah. Popular.
The cardinal
Sure.
numbers 11 and 220 are introduced on page 23, lesson 3. We, how come we didn't do those numbers?
We skipped. I think you had
Ah,
said
we
that you
skipped it.
would
We said we'll do it
you
later.
do it later.
So we
Yeah.
can do it
Yeah.
later. So I think what we can do, I'll stop here now. What you can do is
Okay.
with your time, you can answer this. Page 34,
Yes.
first left column. You can try to answer this on your own.
Yes.
Not actually, yeah, okay. There is some exercise, you can do it yourself.
Mhm.
Shall we stop here?
Yes.
If you need
Yes.
help, you can
Yes.
send me a message or what.
I will. I will. Maybe next lesson we can start with lesson 6 since I think lesson 5 is a review lesson. So maybe I can do that review, the revision on my own.
You can do lesson 5 on your own. You want to do that?
Yeah, I think because it just says review lesson, so it's just
Similar.
reviewing the previous. Yeah.
Okay. So you can do
So
that and
that
we
can I
will
can
go
take as
ahead with
homework.
lesson 6. And I like that idea
Yes.
because the faster we move forward, more time we can get into other things. And
Yes.
we can even do, just will be on Zoom. If I try to share a video, YouTube video, will it be get
Yeah.
shared or the sound gets? I think the sound
No,
gets
usually sound gets difficult.
the
Yeah.
sound gets blocked. No, so we can't
Yeah.
see a movie on that. If you have to see a movie, we'll have to see it on our own, on our own. We cannot
Yes.
do
Yes.
combined viewing. Is it the
Yes.
same with a team viewer also? In team
I
viewer?
think some you can, but you have to set up the audio so that it goes to the other person.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But I had sent some of those links. Did you have any chance to see any of those links of in Marathi?
I have not done it yet, but this week I have
With
some
time,
time, so
you
I
can
will.
try to see
I have
something
time
in
to.
Marathi and
Yeah.
or try to listen to news in Marathi sometimes. Just
Yes.
okay.
I
Right
I will
then.
this
Thank
week.
you, Arun. See you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.